Hello YouTube, welcome to the channel 621C, and this is Mr. C. This channel where we do reviews on installations, a 6-month and 1-year review on various products. This particular video is on the installation of the trailer hitch Curt 13427. Let's get on with the installation. Is remove the spare tire by lowering it from that. Here it is, spare tire. This fits perfectly right in here. Once the tire is down, it's just the process of removing the cable from the hole in the middle and taking the tire out. That gives us a whole lot more space here in the bottom to work with. There's the cable. Just kind of hang it to the side, a bracket like. I'm just gonna hang it in there. That's just perfect. Right there. This thing is to remove this cover. There's a couple of brackets on the bottom. Look like this. They come off real easily from here. There's one here, and one here. And then removing those screws in there, there's one there and one there. My vehicle's a 2023, and I noticed, you can see there's just a huge plug that you kind of like undo with that lever. I did notice on the when I ordered the kit, it said that they were working on something, but I just wanted to make sure if it was going to fit or not. But I see it's totally different. This is just one plug, and the kit I ordered has the one that I've seen on the videos. There's like an additional one coming out of here, or I believe here, like an additional plug comes out that fits perfectly on that kit that I bought for the 2020, 2021, I believe even the 2022s, but this is totally different. So I'm still gonna do the installation of the hitch because I do need that, but for now it'd be easier just to do that, and then I'll be calling the company and see what they say about having a kit. Here's where the hitch is gonna be going on this these holes. It's got the 2 on the side and the 2 on the bottom. And then switching over to the other side, it's got the same thing right there. 2 on the side and 2 on the bottom. We just gotta get this bracket for the exhaust loose, and I believe the one on the back also, just to get it in there. We'll see how much room I get if I do the one on the back as well. Make sure you strap your exhaust so you kind of support it so it won't fall down. Here's my strategy to try to get it up there. I'm putting it in some jack stands, and that way I can inch it up little by little by just lifting it here one side at a time. And it also allows me to move them just to the side inch by inch like that, and move the whole thing. That's how I'm gonna get it as close as possible to the holes, since I'm doing this install by myself. All right, guys, this side is nice and dandy. I just need to insert the other one, but that's fairly easy because there's nothing restricting me here. Put it through here and then put the two on the bottom. You can hardly see them. Let me get this thing out of the way. Put this two on the bottom and we're good to go. Here's the other side. Some people are saying you need to cut the pan to make sure those screws fit. If you do them this way with the head on this side instead of on the other side, then you don't have to. That means that on this side, the actual nut and extension of the bolt is where it's at. So this is fairly okay, and you don't have to cut your pan. Now this side was total hard one to get in there. Now here's what I was having trouble with. If you can see, you see how the washer is like almost sunk in there? So I was having a hard time putting the washer in because it wouldn't go because of the heat shield. That's the heat shield right there, that shiny metal thing. So I had to actually hold the washer very close, like past the shield, because it's got a little, the shield ends right there before it hits the chassis. So I had to hold the washer there and hold the hitch, and then try to, you know, needle in there or thread in there the screw, and then that way it would go all the way through. That's on that side. Same thing on the other side. Oh, you can hardly see it through there. There's a little through there. See that heat shield right there? Let me stop shaking. There we go. That heat shield ends right there. So there's a space back there. You see where that white, I think it's like a sealant or caulking. See, there's a space. So the washer's good back there, and so is the screw once it goes there. But if I try going all the way from the front, I mean all the way, like, you know, the washer won't fit through there. So I have to put the washer first and then thread in the screw. And there's the other one. So I'll be going with the nuts through the other side. And of course, you might be able to see there, the bottom ones, the bottom screws go through the bottom. Let me see if I can reach through here and show you. Here is where the other ones are gonna go through the bottom. Here's one hole, it's gonna go up, and here's the other hole, it's gonna go up. So let me put those in there and show you what it looks like. I think I'm gonna be good there. Okay, we're gonna put in the other one from this side. Like I mentioned, you can put it to this side. Okay, that's done. Then we've got these little ones that go on the bottom. Here's another very tight space, which is the other side. And as you can see, one of the worst ones, well, this one's okay. Here, I can kind of maneuver my hand in there because there's space here. There's one on the back. You can't probably see it. Let me see if I can move the camera a little bit. That one right there. See how it's very hard to get your hand in there. So I kind of inched it with the tips of my finger like that. And now it's just a matter of continue inching it all the way as much as I can to try to get the ratchet in there, because it's very tight, the space in between the chassis and the exhaust. Everything's in, guys. They're in. They're tied to specifications. All I need to do now is remove the braces. I had a bungee, I just removed it right now, and put back those rubber brackets for the exhaust. Whew, here we go. We're almost there. So guys, perfect fit. This side's nice and dandy. Don't mind the glare. And so is that side. very sturdy, very nice hitch. And let's get on putting the pan and we'll be out of here. And this concludes the installation for the Curt hitch, model 13427 for the Hyundai Palisade 2023. If this video was helpful in any way, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, please follow our affiliate link to help support the channel to make more videos like this. We are 621. Don't forget to stay tuned for the 6-month review and of course the 1-year follow-up. This is Mr. C. Thank you for watching.